So I thought we would do one more problem with the surveys, and hopefully that'll clear it up if there's any problems with that. So what we have here is a survey of sports again, and they came up with 3 different sports: golf, volleyball, and swimming. And we're going to try and answer some questions about those 3 sports. So we're going to start off with our 3 circles. So here's golf, and here's volleyball, and our 3rd sport is swimming. Okay, so we're going to start with the one that all of the sports like. And so we're going to start with the 5 that everybody liked, and that 5 goes in the middle here. And then we're going to start with the breaking down into twos. So if you break it down into twos, there were 8 people that played golf and played volleyball. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 8 people that played golf and volleyball, and we're going to subtract out the 5 in the middle, and we end up with 3 that just played golf, or that played golf and volleyball. So we have 3 in the middle here. And then we're going to take the 10 that played volleyball and swam, and we're going to take the 10, and we're going to subtract out again that 5 in the middle, and that means there are 5 people that played volleyball and swam. And then we're going to take the 9 that played golf and swam, and we're going to subtract out the 5 in the middle again, and we end up with 4 that played golf and swam. And now we're going to start with our bigger numbers. So there were 21 people that played golf. And we've already got 9, 10, 11, 12 here. So we're going to subtract out those 12 that we already have in our Venn diagram, and we end up with 9 that just played golf. There were 35 people that played volleyball. So we're going to subtract out from the 35 the 13 people that we have here, and we end up with 22 people that just played volleyball. And then we're going to take the 53 people, that swam, and we're going to take out the 14 people that we already have listed, and there were 39 people left that swam. So then we can answer our questions that we have here at the bottom of the page. It says, how many students did not participate in any sport? Well, that's where we have to go back to the beginning of our survey. There were 150 people surveyed. If we take all of these numbers that we currently have in our Venn diagram and add them all together, there are 63 people left over. So there are 63 people that did not play any sports at all. How many students played exactly one of the sports? Well, there were 9 people that played golf, 22 that played volleyball, and 39 that swam, and so there would be 70 people who played one sport only. How many people played exactly 2 sports? That would be the 4 and the 5 and the 3. Those are the ones that played exactly 2 sports. How many people did not swim? Well, the 39 people, 5 people, 5 people, and 4 people all swam because they're all in that swimming circle. So the people that did not swim are the 22, the 3, and the 9, which is a total of 34. And then how many people played golf or volleyball? That would be the 9 and the 4 and the 5 and the 3 and the 22 and the 5. Those are all people that played golf or volleyball, and so that would be a total of 48 people. Okay, I hope this helps a little bit more to make sure you're cleared up on all that information. Again, just keep in touch with me if you're having problems.